Hi guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Glassdoor account. To delete your Glassdoor account, you'll have to open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, enter glassdoor.com on your search bar. When you are done, tap on search, which is on bottom right of your keyboard. You will now land on Glassdoor's website. On top right, you'll see the option of sign in. Tap on it. You can sign into your account with Facebook, Google, Apple, or email. For now, I'm going to sign up with my email. Enter your email address and password and then tap on sign in. After you sign into your account, on top right you'll see a profile icon. Tap on it. Go to account settings. Scroll down and there you'll see the option of close account. Tap on it. If you're sure you want to delete your account, enter your password and then tap on close account. This way you can delete Glassdoor account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.